art and culture. In this chapter, you will study about painters. Ever since man began to paint, painting has been a strong means of expressing his innate feelings. Through cave paintings, early men expressed their feelings and emotions. Read the description given below and identify the painters. He was an Italian painter who later settled in France. He was also a scientist, sculptor, architect, and engineer. His paintings include The Last Supper, La Belle Fernier, and Lady with Ermine. Leonardo da Vinci figure. He was a famous British landscape artist. His famous work include Snowstorm, Hannibal and his army crossing the Alps. Joseph Turner. He was an Italian Renaissance painter and sculptor. His paintings on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel are famous in the history of art. He also designed the dome of St. Peter's Basilica. Michelangelo Buonarroti. He was an Italian painter and architect of the High Renaissance. His work is admired for its clarity of form and ease of composition. Raphael. He was a Renaissance artist from Italy. His famous paintings are Virgin and Child and David. Donatello. He was a Spanish painter and sculptor. His best known painting is The Persistence of Memory. His paintings, Swans Reflecting Elephants, is also famous. Salvador Dali. Art and culture. Dance forms of the world. Dance is a form of art. It generally involves movement of the body rhythmic to music. It is used to express our emotions, ideas, or tell a story. Read the description and identify the dance form of the world. Take help from the given clause. This is a classical Japanese dance drama. It is known for the stylization of its drama and the elaborate makeup worn by some of its performers. Kabuki. Second, this dance originated on the island of Trinidad, West Indies. The dancer moves on a Caribbean rhythm, then leans backwards and dances under a horizontal burning stick without touching it. Limbo. This Hawaiian dance form uses hand gestures to illustrate a song or chant, and the flexed knee stepping gives the appearance of swaying hips. The dancers wear a costume made of flowers around the neck or even shoulders. A grass skirt is also used. Hula. This dance form belongs to Thailand. It is performed by troops of non-speaking dancers, the story being told by a chorus at the side of the stage. Khon. In Scottish country dancing, this is one of the 4 traditional dances. In this dance form, 3 or more dancers follow an interweaving path similar to other folk dance traditions. reel. This Israeli circle dance has been performed for many generations by Jews since well before Israel's independence. This same name applies to the circle dance that is the national dance of Romania, Hora. Chapter 8 Art and Culture continuing Indian Handicrafts. The history of Indian handicraft dates back to 3000 BC. At that time, handmade objects were mainly made for daily use. Later, needs for decoration, beauty, and aesthetic appeal gave rise to what we call handicraft today. Given below are pictures of handicrafts from different states of India. Write the name of the state. First one, papier-mâché. Papier-mâché is a composite material consisting of paper pieces or pulp, sometimes reinforced with textiles bound with an adhesive such as glue, starch or wallpaper. Second one, Mojeris, Rajasthan. Dhokra metal craft, West Bengal. Dhokra is non-ferrous metal casting using the lost wax casting technique. Fulkari, Punjab. Fulkari refers to the folk embroidery of the Punjab. Glass bangles, Uttar Pradesh. Kolhapuri chappals, Maharashtra. Woolen caps, Himachal Pradesh. Wooden puppets, Karnataka. Cane and bamboo handicraft, Assam.